We have seen the three coefficients: coefficient of absorption, coefficient of reflection, and coefficient of transmission. Now next point, what do we understand by the term emissive power, or define emissive power? Emissive power, it is defined as the ratio of emissive power. It is defined as the ratio of amount of heat energy radiated heat एनर्जी क्या हो रही है? रेडिएट हो रही है. अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी रेडिएटेड पर यूनिट एरिया पर यूनिट टाइम, comma, inverted comma. What do we understand by the term emissive power? Emissive power, it is defined as, it is the ratio, take the line, it is the ratio of amount of heat energy radiated, that is represented by the factor Q, per unit area A, per unit time T. That's all. What we can say, emissive power, it is the ratio of amount of heat energy radiated per unit area per unit time, called as emissive power, generally represented by the factor E. Okay. What do we understand by here? Q is the amount of heat energy generally measured in joule, area measured in meter square, time measured in second. So what are the units of emissive power? The unit of emissive power is joule meter square, joule per meter square second, and it have the dimension m raised to 1, L raised to 0, T raised to -3. This is the dimension of emissive power. In short, emissive power means Q upon AT. What is Q? Q with the amount of heat energy radiated, A with the surface area, T with the time. The ratio of amount of heat energy per unit area per unit time, called as emissive power, represented by the factor E. Mathematically, E is equal to Q upon AT. Okay. What are its units? Q be the energy measured in joule, A be the area measured in meter square, T be the time measured in second. So the unit of emissive power is joule per meter square second. It have the dimensions m raised to 1, L raised to 0, and T raised to -3. Okay. Watch it. Now the next point, that define coefficient of emission. Define coefficient of emission. Coefficient of emission, it is defined as, it is the ratio of amount of energy emitted. It is the ratio of amount of heat energy or amount of energy emitted per unit time per unit area the amount of heat energy emitted per unit time per unit area to the amount of energy emitted to the amount of energy emitted per unit time per unit area of a perfectly black body. Yes, क्या बताया गया यहाँ पर? What is coefficient of emission? It is the ratio of amount of energy capital E, amount of energy emitted per unit time per unit area to the amount of energy, फिर से E, emitted per unit time per unit area by किसके जरिए? by a black body, इसलिए यहाँ पर इसको EB से इंडिकेट किया गया and it is represented by the factor small e, that is small e is equal to E upon EB. What do we understand by coefficient of emission? It is the ratio of amount of energy emitted per unit time per unit area to the amount of energy emitted per unit time per unit area by a perfectly black body. It is said that good absorbers are good emitters. It is said that good absorbers are good emitters, यानी जितना कोई बॉडी एब्सॉर्ब करता है, जितनी अच्छी तरह से एब्सॉर्ब करता है उतनी ही अच्छी तरह से वो बॉडी क्या करता है, एनर्जी एमिट भी करता है. इसलिए क्या कहा गया, गुड एब्सॉर्बर्स आर गुड emitter. Okay, now after that another important article that is called as Wien's displacement law. Wien's displacement law. Wien, it is the name of the scientist. Wien ने क्या स्टेटमेंट पुट अप किया, देखो. Wien कहता है the law states that Wien's displacement law states that the law states that the wavelength for which emissive power, क्या कहता है विन, द वेवलेंथ फॉर विच, वेवलेंथ ऐसा फॉर विच जिसके लिए, द वेवलेंथ फॉर विच एमिसिव पावर ऑफ ए परफेक्टली ब्लैक बॉडी इज मैक्सिमम. क्या कहता है विन, क्या कहता है, ब्लैक बॉडी का वेवलेंथ मैक्सिमम होता है कब, और ब्लैक बॉडी का वेवलेंथ मैक्सिमम कब. द लॉ स्टेट्स दैट द वेवलेंथ फॉर विच एमिसिव पावर ऑफ ए परफेक्टली ब्लैक बॉडी इज मैक्सिमम कब, इस मैक्सिमम इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू, इट इज when it is inversely proportional to absolute temperature, यानी कि वेवलेंथ और टेम्परेचर ये दोनों लोग के बारे में विन ने क्या बताया. द वेवलेंथ विल बी मैक्सिमम अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइंटिस्ट विन. कब मैक्सिमम, इफ इट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर. मैथमेटिकली इट कैन बी रिटन एज दैट इज वेवलेंथ लैम्डा, जो कि मैक्सिमम वेवलेंथ इज कब मैक्सिमम, व्हेन इट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर T. कैन आल्सो बी रिटन एज दैट इज, और lambda maximum is equal to B into 1 upon capital T. What is B? This B is the constant factor called as Wien's log constant, and it is always equal to, ये इसकी कीमत फिक्स है, and it is equal to 2.898 into 10 raised to minus 3 मीटर केल्विन। क्या कहता है? विन वेवलेंथ मैक्सिमम हो सकता है कब? इफ इट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर। किसका? फॉर ए परफेक्टली ब्लैक बॉडी। अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइंटिस्ट विन, द वेवलेंथ फॉर विच एमिसिव पावर ऑफ ए परफेक्टली ब्लैक बॉडी इज मैक्सिमम। किसी भी परफेक्टली ब्लैक बॉडी का वेवलेंथ मैक्सिमम हो सकता है कब? जब वो वेवलेंथ और टेम्परेचर में कैसा रिलेशन हो? बोथ आर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू ईच अदर। वेवलेंथ और टेम्परेचर में रिलेशन कैसा हो? इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनलिटी हो। तब हम क्या लिख सकते हैं मैथमेटिकली? दैट इज लैम्डा मैक्सिमम इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू 1 अपॉन टी, और lambda max is equal to B into 1 upon T. What is B? B is the constant factor called as Wien's constant, and it is having some constant value, that is 2.898 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter Kelvin. Okay, watch it. Another scientist named as Kirchhoff, called as Kirchhoff's law of radiation. किरचॉफ्स लॉ ऑफ रेडिएशन। जैसा विन नामी साइंसदान ने क्या बतलाया? वेवलेंथ और टेम्परेचर में रिलेशन बतलाया, दैट बोथ आर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल। अब यहाँ पर किरचॉफ क्या करता है? किरचॉफ लॉ स्टेट्स दैट द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एब्सॉर्प्शन, किरचॉफ लॉ स्टेट्स दैट द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एब्सॉर्प्शन is always equal to, the coefficient of absorption is always equal to coefficient of emission of a body. क्या कहता है किरचॉफ? The coefficient of absorption of a black body is always equal to the coefficient of emission. Mathematically, that is absorption, coefficient of absorption A is always equal to coefficient of emission, that is E. यानी कि किरचॉफ क्या कहने जा रहा है? जितना कोई बॉडी एब्सॉर्ब करता है हीट, उतना ही वो बॉडी क्या करता है? हीट एनर्जी एमिट भी करता है। यानी कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एब्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ ए ब्लैक बॉडी इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एमिशन। बट वी नो दैट, लेकिन हम क्या जानते हैं? But we know that what is E? E is the coefficient of emission. What is coefficient of emission? Just हमने अभी देखा, it is the amount of energy emitted per unit time per unit area by ordinary body to the amount of energy emitted per unit time per unit area by black body. That is E is equal to EB. Put E here. Put the value of E. Then what happens? A is equal to E की वैल्यू पुट अप किया हमने, E अपॉन EB क्या बन जाएगा? A is equal to E by EB। अगर इसकी जगह हम चेंज करते हैं तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? और EB is equal to E अपॉन A। क्या कह सकते हैं इसके बारे में? 10। Kirchhoff's law can also be states that at a given temperature, at any temperature or at a given temperature, emissive power of a perfectly black body, emissive power of a perfectly black body is always equal to the ratio of amount of energy emitted to coefficient of absorption. यानी कि what Kirchhoff said that the ratio of amount of energy emitted to coefficient of absorption is always equal to the emissive power of a perfectly black body, or it is always equal to the energy emitted per unit time by ए ब्लैक बॉडी, बिल्कुल सिंपल सा है। किरचॉफ ने क्या बताया, द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एब्सॉर्प्शन इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एमिशन। मैथमेटिकली A is equal to E, but what is E? E is the coefficient of emission, defined as it is the ratio of energy emitted per unit time per unit area by a ordinary body to the energy emitted per unit time per unit area by a perfectly black body. That is E is equal to EB. Put the value of E here. What happens? A is equal to E upon EB. EB को अगर हम इधर लाए, जगह हमने चेंज किया, क्या बन जाएगा? EB is equal to E upon A. यानी क्या बोल सकते हैं? According to Kirchhoff, or Kirchhoff law also states that at a given temperature, emissive power of a black body is always equal to, it is the ratio of amount of energy emitted per unit coefficient of absorption. Now another last point, that Stephen's law of radiation. Stephen's law of radiation. हमने विंस का स्टेटमेंट सुना, विन नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट, उसके बाद किरचॉफ का स्टेटमेंट सुना। अब स्टीफन, इट इज द नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट। स्टीफन क्या कहता है, देखो, लेट अस कंसीडर इट्स स्टेटमेंट। स्टेटमेंट क्या कहता है, देखो स्टीफन, द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी, द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी रेडिएटेड per unit surface area per unit time, क्या कहता है स्टीफन, अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी रेडिएटेड पर यूनिट एरिया पर यूनिट टाइम is directly proportional to, is directly proportional to fourth power, it is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature, fourth power of temperature. स्टीफन ने क्या कहा, अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रेडिएटेड per unit time per unit area is always directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. Let us consider, yes, consider Q be the amount of radiant heat energy, Q be the amount of energy, A सरफेस एरिया, ए को क्या कहेंगे, सरफेस एरिया, टी विद द रिक्वायर्ड टाइम, ओके, कैपिटल टी एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर। अब ये चीजों को अगर हम गौर से देखते हैं मैथमेटिकली, अब स्टेटमेंट कैन बी रिटन एज फॉलोज। क्या बताया स्टीफन ने, अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी यानी कि क्यू पर यूनिट एरिया per unit time, small t, is directly proportional to the fourth power of absolute temperature, that is T raised to 4. देखो समझ में आ रहा है what Stephen states. Stephen's law of radiation states that the amount of energy radiated per unit time per unit area is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature, okay, or this Q by AT, this Q by AT can also be written as EB, that is called as emissive power of a perfectly black body. अभी हमने देखा that EB is nothing but Q by AT, so हम इसके लिए ऊपर क्या लिख सकते हैं, EB is directly proportional to T raised to 4. What is EB? Energy emitted per unit time per unit area of a black body. So EB is directly proportional to T raised to 4, or EB is equal to sigma into T raised to 4. What is this sigma? This sigma is the constant factor called as Stephen's law of radiation constant. What is sigma? sigma be the constant factor that is called as Stephen's law of radiation constant, and it is equal to sigma is equal to 5.678 into 10 raised to minus 8 इसकी कीमत है। The value constant sigma is equal to 5.678 into 10 raised to minus 8, and its units are joule, yes, per meter square second Kelvin raised to 4, joule per meter square second Kelvin raised to 4. This is the unit of Stephen's law of radiation constant. So what the law tells us? The law tells that amount of energy radiated, that is Q, per unit area per unit time, is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. मैथमेटिकली अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी को आपने Q से इंडिकेट किया, एरिया को A से, टाइम को T से, फोर्थ पावर ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर को कैपिटल T, दैट इज Q अपॉन 80 प्रोपोर्शनल T रेज़ टू 4। यही Q बाई 80 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, EB लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज EB इज प्रोपोर्शनल T रेज़ टू 4, और EB इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा T रेज़ टू 4। व्हाट इज दिस सिग्मा? सिग्मा विद द कांस्टेंट फैक्टर कॉल्ड एज Stephen's law of radiation constant, and it is equal to, उसकी कीमत कितनी है, 5.678 10 raised to minus 8, and it is measured in, उसका यूनिट जूल पर मीटर स्क्वायर सेकंड केल्विन रेज़ टू 4। Okay, so this is about Stephen's law of radiation.